Today GK oral exam. Are you ready, Ivansri? Okay, start. What is the color of teeth? Very good. How many colors are there in rainbow? Colors. Which fruit has no seeds? What is the name of our country? Say loudly. Very good. What is your name? What is your name? Which class are you studying? Very good. What is your class teacher's name? Swarna teacher. What is your mother name? Mother name. What is your father name? What is your school name? Very good.